at Dollar Tree, you're gonna wanna pick up one of these babies. I have over 15 genius ways to use this in and around your home. It's gonna solve some everyday problems. And no, it's not for those weird foldable glasses, although that is clever too. We don't do things around here for things that they're actually intended to be used for. That would be boring, right? Enough blah, blah, blah. Let me show you. These glasses, oh my word, they are something interesting. I like the concept, but I can't say that I've actually tried these foldable glasses. But Dollar Tree, you have really outdone yourself here again. Look at all these amazing glasses, super cute, super cool, and I can't even believe they're just $1.25. I'm loving these babies right here. Let's take a poll and see which glasses we like best, just for funsies. Let's try option A, these pink retro kind of ones that look like they're for a 7-year-old, or how about these big ones? These are more my style. Even though I have a small face, I just love them. They remind me of my grandma. And these super chic ones, let me know. Option 1, 2, or 3. Now the case does not come with the glasses. They are sold separately, but this video is not about the sunglasses. It's about this amazing case and how you're gonna save yourself so much money. I have this phone charger case that I purchased on Amazon. You can see here for just under $11 for holding my phone charger. But let me show you, this Dollar Tree version is pretty similar. I could have saved myself like $8 or so just buying this one. Although the pink one is super cute, the black one just goes with everything. And it's pretty durable and comparable to the Amazon version. Now your charging items are going to be safer than ever before. Maybe you have a spare key that you want to hide, or you just want a safe place to store it. This is amazing. You could actually put 4 or 5 keys in here if you wanted to, and then just hide it in a little spot in your garage or outside. Let me know in that comments box below what your favorite hiding spot is for those spare keys, and if you still use one. I know growing up we definitely had them. How about for your dishwasher pods and your laundry pods? Maybe you are traveling and you want to just take a few with you because the place that you're going, you have the ability to wash your dishes and your clothes. You can see here 4 fits in here. I could probably fit 1 more inside and we are good to go. We can come home with clean laundry and not have to do all that laundry when we get back from our holiday or vacation. One of my favorite pleasures besides coffee and peanut M&Ms, thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one, is doing my girls' hair. I have a 3-year-old and a 9-year-old, and a lot of times I just need to transport a few items here and there. This organizer is actually from Dollar Tree in the automotive section. I use it for so many different projects and in and around my home because it's that good. But sometimes I just need a few hair scrunchies, a few rubber bands, a pony pick, barrettes, you name it. I can put this in my backpack. I can put this in my purse. I could put this in a gym bag. I could put it in my girls' bags, suitcases. The possibilities are endless. Do you have some loose change or money that you do not want to get wet? Perhaps you are going to a water park, or you're going to be in a balloon fight. I don't know, different places that you would potentially get your money wet that you don't want to, and maybe you don't have a coin purse and you just want to put all of your loose change in here. This is so fantastic. You can put this in your car console, so anytime you go to Aldi, you have a plethora of quarters to stick into that cart, or maybe you just want to drop off some change for who knows what. How about all of those chapsticks and lipsticks? Apparently, I have a hoarding obsession with these as well, but you can see here, you can put quite a few chapsticks and lipsticks, especially with the winter months upon us. You want to have easy access to these rather than them getting lost in your purse and you're digging around and you can't find them. Oh my word, I'm obsessed with these Skittles. I've recently got these at Dollar Tree, and I like the fun size versions because then I don't overconsume the Skittles. I just have one little packet to ease that sweet tooth. But you can see I can put quite a few candies in here. You can put mints in here, or chocolates in here, or gum in here, whatever your tasty treat is. And yes, of course, I have a secret stash here in my office desk. You know, sometimes mama needs a little snack attack. Or shall I say, I have a snack attack. Kleenexes! Like I mentioned, winter is upon us and you want to have these at your disposal so that you are not dripping snot here, there, and everywhere. I know I need these for my kids. You know, it's so annoying when they just are constantly thumbs up if you can relate to me on that one. So I love being able to hand them a tissue easily. And a lot of times those plastic containers for the travel ones just get all bunched up and messed up in my purse. So now they are all nice and organized. You could take this on a plane. You could take this for any sort of travel and just configure them and fold them in any way that you can. You can see I can fit quite a few inside of here. You're gonna open up this baby and people are gonna be like, what is in that fancy little black container? Well, let me share you a tissue. Well, not share because I don't want it back. Batteries, this organizer, yes, from Dollar Tree for organizing all of my batteries. Save your precious pennies when it comes to battery organization. But this little sunglasses case is great for putting many batteries inside. Again, if you're traveling, maybe you want some in your car, maybe you're going someplace that you need a battery easily on hand, or maybe you just want a better way to organize all of your batteries. You can see it fits all different shapes and sizes when it comes to these. Never be without your charged belongings again. Speaking of charging, cords and chargers. Yes, this is my drawer. It is quite organized. I have to say this. This little gem is actually from Temu. I will link those Temu videos in the description box below because they have some amazing, great gems. But maybe you want to organize your charging cords and adapters. You could put this in your purse. Nothing is worse than being out and about and you do not have a way to charge your phone. Maybe you're at a coffee shop doing some work, getting away from your family, just want some quiet time. Now you can just organize all the little trinkets inside of your drawer. Put this easily in your purse and you have easy access. And because the case is a good density, there's going to be little to no damage. I've been using this for several weeks now and it is amazing. Do you ever struggle to find your keys inside of your purse? I know that I do. Not anymore. Just put your keys in this sunglasses case and you will always have your keys at your fingertips. Organizing any sort of games, dice, small trinkets that come with games. I know we have a lot of games in our house. It's something that we love to do on the weekends. You can keep all of those handy with this sunglasses case. This is very perplexing. I have no idea where my left, right, center dice went. So maybe if I would have had it in something like this, I wouldn't have lost them. Stamps and office supplies. I don't know about you, but oftentimes stamps go missing in my home or they start to get bunched up or crinkled up if they are inside my purse. And when you need a stamp, you need a stamp. You don't want to have to go out and buy another stamp because those babies can add up in price, especially with the holiday season and sending of cards. Maybe you have some craft supplies that you want to organize a little bit better. You could label this. You could use a metallic Sharpie on the outside if you wanted to. You could organize any sort of cleaning supplies. Maybe you have some toilet tabs. Maybe you have some, I don't know, small things related to cleaning. Safety pins. This container is fantastic. I got that on Amazon, but I clearly do not need that many safety pins. Organize your safety pins with this sunglasses case. Chip clips. We also have quite a few of these. Maybe you are also traveling or camping. All these ideas are fantastic for camping. Keep those chip clips in order. Feminine products, panty liners, and all the things that come lovely with being a female. You can see here I can fit quite a few panty liners. So maybe you need to go to the gym. Maybe you want a few of these in your purse so that they are nice and sanitized. They have a nice cover on them. They are hidden. People are not digging through your purse saying, whoa, look at all those panty liners in there. They're just saying, look at this cool black container you have. I wonder what's inside. And I have to say, these are some pretty darn good ideas that I came up with. I impressed myself on this one. If you have not, make sure that you sign up for the free weekly cleaning and organizing newsletter that is linked in that description box below. If you want to see some amazing Dollar Tree hidden gems, click this video on screen now. But if you want to see a clever way to use a Dollar Tree broom, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.